All right, so what you need to do is to log into your favorite browser. Like you can see, navigate to chongabda.com.ng. Okay, so once you're on chongabda.com.ng, this is what is going to display, and you should know that this is the only website Chongahbdah Association has at of now. Once you're on this particular page, there is a button, one three horizontal line at the top right corner of your screen. So click on it. The home, about, events, learn, entertainment, national board, chapters, contact, login, and register. So for today's tutorial, we're not going to be talking about the login button, but we will be focusing our attention on the registration button, which is the register button. You click on the register button as a new member. Now you see some of these particular forms which you're going to make justice to them. Making justice means you're going to fill them up. All right, so the first form you're going to be seeing is the personal information. You'll be required to provide your first name, last name, email address, phone number, password, and you confirm this password. And a password of minimum of 6 characters. It should not be less than 6 characters. Don't go and put anything 2 or 3 or 4. Then you say, it's not working. You must put at least 6. Then you confirm the same password. You select your gender. You select your date of birth, marital status. Then you select numbers of children. Then you also provide a passport. Okay, make sure you snap yourself with one fine caca cloth and you upload, so you can actually snap with any type of cloth. You can upload it, and it's simple to upload, so you can do that. Now the next form is what we refer to as the contact detail form. This is where we're going to know your residential address, your permanent address, your additional phone number, and alternative email address. In case anything happens to your first email address provided above, we can fall back to this particular email address. So the next form is what we refer to as the membership and employment detail form. Here you're going to select the category of membership registration type, like an applicant, a businessman, a businesswoman, government worker, non-working students, or working student. Okay, if you're a non-working student, you're going to provide your institution name here. Then you skip every other detail here. You can see they are not important, but you must come to this place and fill in this detail. Okay, you're going to provide your educational information for students only. Now you're going to provide your institution name, your course of study. Right, you're going to provide your educational level, maybe 200, 300, 400, 500, SS1, primary 2, primary 3, primary 6, SS2, SS3, and so on and so forth, depending on your educational level. Then you also provide your expected year of graduation. You provide your institution address. Now if you selected businessman, businesswoman, and so on and so forth, you can actually fill in this particular detail here. You tell us the nature of your business, you tell us your business address, you tell us if your business is registered, you select yes. If it's not registered, you select no. Then you can also train some of our apprentices in this section, and we'll be glad if you tell us yes in this place actually, so that we can send in some Chongabde member. You're going to train them for us. All right, so moving to the next form. This is the identification and state of origin. You're going to tell us things about your NIN. You will write your NIN number, your VIN, voters identification number, or your driver's license. You can replace that and it work. Okay. Now you're going to select your state of origin. Now if you're from Turaba, you select Turaba. Then your local government. If you're from Sedona, you select Sedona. If you're from Jalingo, you select Jalingo. Now, if do you have indigent certificate of that place? If it is yes, you just go with yes. Now, registration detail. Here, all fields are required. And you're going to tell us if you are trying to make a new registration or you're renewing your registration. If you're renewing, you tell us when you made your registration. That's the previous date of registration. If you registered in 2021, you will write 2021 here. You just select 2021. You can use this. Just go to 2021. If it is in April, you select yes. And so that's 23rd April 2021. If it is today, you know definitely what you're going to be doing, because this particular tutorial is for new registration alone. All right, so you click on fresh registration, so you don't have business with that. Okay. Now your branch, where are you registering under? Is it Furumi? Is it Jalingo? Is it where? If your chapter is not listed among, you can contact your chapter social media director or your chapter president, your chapter secretary, your chapter finsec to contact the national media director so that your chapter will be included among the list of chapters. So let's say I'll be going with Furumi, and payment method here is just bank transfer because more payment method will be included as time goes on, including Cash App, Cash App, Cash App. Yeah, including Cash App and cryptocurrency. Yeah, we're gonna be collecting cash in hard currency. For those people who are in diaspora and they want to register, they want to connect with one or two persons, definitely we will do that. Next is your next of kin information. You provide your next of kin information, his full name, your relationship with the next of kin, his phone number, his address, and you go down to what we call the declaration aspect. And here you must tell us that the information you provided all are correct and true, and you will abide by the constitution of the Chongabda. If you don't abide by the constitution, we'll sue you to court. So, but then you're going to abide by the rules and regulation of Chongabda, and you also be paying your monthly dues and all the obligations as it might be applicable to you. Then you also be committed to the development and progress of the association. If you accept, click this small box. Yes, I accept. Okay. Then you put in your full name here so that you will not say I wasn't the person that did this, so your name will be there. Go. Then you select your date when you did your declaration, which is today. Just click yes, and you can click on complete registration. Once you click on this button, it will generate your registration number automatically. Wow, like magic. No be magic, it is programming, bro. You can do it. Everybody can do it. It's in you. You can be a programmer. All right. So after that, you are also going to see the payment detail. That's the treasury account number there. Now you will just copy the account number. Don't close the page. Make sure you don't close the page. You copy the account number. You put in the money, the exact money that is listed in that place. You're going to see the amount that you're going to pay because the registration category is totally different from each other. So the amount you're going to pay will be displayed also. So you transfer the money and you upload your payment proof. Once you upload your payment proof, automatically admin is going to validate your payment. All right. So once the admin approves your payment, all you need to do is to log in. Now you're going to gain access to the system by going to the login page here, and once you're here, you'll be able to log in to the system by providing your email address and password and click login, and automatically it will allow you log into the system. Nobody's going to stop you from registering, logging in, and paying your monthly dues. Anybody that says no pay, enter your dashboard, show him, and don't forget your national ID card is going to be ready. Hey! Ogbenge alametebdebe nyetama oka bellum. To tiwa mi bim da nye kon registration wa muji registration mai aba anchusa tama amaye guarantee na kayeti the members across all chapters. Ye bim da ye kon competition ye die chapter here until the members don't le muji something good is going to come. So try and register all your members. Thank you so much for listening and watching at the same time. Till I come your way again with another mind blowing tutorial. For now, is goodbye. Bye bye.